In our last video, we have seen clearly about stock market. Now let's see what is mutual funds with a simple example. If you plan to go world tour with your family, you have two ways. In the first way, you need to book tickets for flight. You should make a priorities list of places you want to visit. Also, you have to pre-book the hotels to stay. You should estimate the total budget and you should know the risk of rules and regulations and passport in other countries. In the second way, you need to simply access a travel agent and a guide. As he had complete knowledge about the budget, tour, places, passport, rules and regulations and hotel, you can simply relax and enjoy with your family. Your safety is based on how best travel agent you select. In this journey, first way is like stock market and the second way is our mutual funds. In stock market, you will invest money with your own knowledge with higher risks. While in mutual funds, you will give your money to an expert who had best knowledge on share markets. This expert invests your money on low risk shares and they charges you some percentage of commission from your profit or loss. These experts are allotted in different asset management companies in mutual funds. Your success rate completely depends on how best experts and asset management companies you choose. As of 2020, these are some of the top 10 asset management companies in India. ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, HDFC Mutual Funds, Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, Reliance Mutual Funds, SBI Mutual Fund, L&T Mutual Fund, Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund, Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund, DSP Mutual Fund, Axis Mutual Funds, etc. These graphs shows the profits in asset management mutual fund companies from the last 10 years. There are 4 types of mutual funds: equity mutual funds, debt funds, hybrid or balanced funds, money market funds. Equity mutual funds. When asset management companies invest our money on stock market, then it is called equity mutual funds. Here it is high risky and high returns are expected here. Debt mutual funds. Asset management companies invest our money on government bonds or corporate bond papers. Governments use this amount in large constructions and developments. After 10 years, government or corporates will return the principal amount along with 8% interest rate, which is more than fixed deposits and savings account. As it is taken by the government, it is less risky and gets interest timely. Hybrid or balanced mutual funds. Asset management companies divides our money and invest some amount in equity and another some amount of money in debt mutual funds. Thus, it is called hybrid or balanced mutual funds. The above 3 types are of long-term investment basis. Money market fund. This includes investing of our money in short-term debt securities which are having high credit ratings such as US Treasuries and commercial papers. If you want to invest in mutual funds, you need to open Demat account. Through net banking options, you can directly invest from your mobile. If you like my explanation, hit like and subscribe buttons and expand our family. To all the pet lovers, we are providing amazing puppies at best prices. Feel free to contact.